So you're not going to believe me on this, but being customer centric is one of the most dangerous behaviors that get in the way of growth. Now, the reason that sounds funny is because we've been told for decades that most companies aren't being customer centric enough. And if they would just better care of their customers, learn from their insights, and adjust their offerings and service abilities, then things would be great. Well, the research that we've done with the University of Texas showed a real interesting thing, that the best run companies often have the hardest time growing. And being customer centric is actually part of being operationally excellent. Now, I'm not saying that being operationally excellent is wrong. It's excellent to be excellent, but it's not the key to growth. The key to growth is alignment to the marketplace. And that may be different than aligning to your customers. The marketplace is dynamic. Your customers change. The opportunities for different customers open up. Geographically speaking, you're not going to find out where to go by listening to people you're already selling to, in case you needed to expand geographically. So park this thought for a moment and ask yourself, is our business customer-centric or market-aligned? And with that knowledge and with perhaps a hunger to explore further, go dig out some insight from what's going on in your marketplace, whether it's your competitors, customers, frankly, that you might be working with or that you're not working with. But look how things are changing and how you might get better aligned for the future and growth. I'm Pete Haye, co-author of The Growth Gears and a principal at Chief Outsiders. Thank you.